If this is your first time using TinkerCAD, then welcome. Before we get started on the gallery workshop project today, I want to introduce you to some of the basic commands of TinkerCAD to help you get started. In the very center of the screen is the work plane. Imagine this as the flat surface that you will be building your project on. It is important to remember that anything you want to 3D print or laser cut must lie above this surface. If you take a look at the very top portion of your screen, you'll see the toolbar. On the left-hand side, you'll see tabs that say Design, Edit, and Help. These are helpful for changing the name of your project, printing your project, and saving your project. On the right-hand side of the toolbar, you'll see commands for undoing, adjusting, and even grouping objects together. You'll also see several different icons, which are shortcuts to different sections of the sidebar, such as geometric, holes, letters, numbers, and even shapes. To add an object onto the work plane, simply right-click on the object and drag it directly onto the work plane. Now take a look at the left-hand side of the screen, where you will find your viewing commands. Because you are working in 3D, it is important to remember that you can view the objects from any angle. You can zoom in and out, rotate around the object, and even return back to the original view by clicking on this little icon that looks like a house. You can also right-click on your mouse, and while holding, drag the mouse around to change your view. Before I manipulate the size and shape of the object, I am first going to get a better view by clicking the gray box in my viewing bar. As you can see, TinkerCAD automatically zooms in to get a closer view of the object I've selected. I can change the dimensions of the object by clicking on any of the white squares. You'll notice that as I hover my mouse over the white box, it will tell me the dimensions of the object. Clicking on the corner square allows me to change both sides of the box at the same time. Clicking on the black square on the side of the box will only change one side at a time. Clicking on the white square on the top of the box will allow me to change the height of the box. You might also notice that there are arrows as well to rotate the box and lift the box off of the plane. You might notice that TinkerCAD automatically defaults to adjust the size of the shape by 1 mm. However, if you need more precise adjustments, use the snap grid on the bottom right-hand corner and change it to 0.1, 0.25, or 0.5 mm, whichever best suits your needs. You are now well equipped to get started on the gallery workshop project. Have fun, be creative, and let's start tinkering!